What's the meaning of county court? County court. County court.
County court. County court. A county court is a court that handles civil cases within a specific jurisdiction or county. These courts typically hear cases involving contract disputes, personal injury claims, landlord/tenant disputes, and small claims. County courts also have jurisdiction over certain criminal cases such as minor offenses. The judges in county courts are usually elected by the residents of the county they serve. The purpose of county courts is to provide a forum for resolving legal disputes that arise within a specific geographic area, while promoting fairness, impartiality, and justice.